going on, guys? It is Sunday afternoon. I'm gonna get the doors hung on the Chevelle. I got the hinges already on it, but I'm gonna set up a time lapse here so you guys can watch me struggle on putting a heavy ass door on the Chevelle. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this little time lapse. And then after that, I already put nut zerts in these little brackets I made to hold the fender. So yeah, now I will, after I get the doors hung on it and where the doors fit somewhat right, then I'll go ahead and get the front end on it and see how all that stuff fits. What's up, guys? I'm Pete. So I was able to get the front end, the doors, and all that stuff on there today. Um, the front end never did fit right after the car fell off the car trailer and got wrecked a little bit. And I gotta remember where I shimmed some stuff. I think I had to raise the core support up in the front a little bit to kind of square some of the body lines up. But yeah, once I get all that stuff squared away, it'll be ready to start doing the rest of the fabrication work. And but anyways, I'll show you guys what I got done so far. As you guys seen in the time lapse, let me see if I can trip over everything here. I got the windows in on that side. It is filthy, obviously. It's been in my dad's storage shed, all this front end stuff. All these scratches, I don't know where these scratches came from. It's almost crazy. I know like some of these are from being in a hurry, hooking these up. But anyways, that's where we're at with this bad boy. About do it for this video, guys. Like I said, I just kind of wanted to time lapse what I did here. Got the front end all on. I'll get this video up, give you guys something to watch this afternoon. I need to go in and get my face cleaned up, relax the rest of this Sunday afternoon, and we'll get back after it this next week. I did get a fair amount done on Tom Gray's car last night, but I came to a point where I needed to order a few little odds and ends. And so I ordered those last night, and I'll get back on it next week and weekend. Hopefully I can get a big charge of his car done next weekend. That's the plan. I do need to get this car off the jack stands. I need to get it out of the way. I need to clean my shop up. But overall, like I said, that'll do it for this video, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and we'll see you guys in the next